Experiential marketing, engagement marketing, storytelling and storyliving, wow factor and immersiveness. These are just a couple of values that augmented or virtual reality could bring to your brand. Storytelling, which is one of the greatest tools to get an emotional connection with your customer. There are a number of instruments and tools for you to actually go out there and shoot 360 videos and then put your customer in there, interact with this video, and maybe tell the whole new story using that.
Here is an example of a not that obvious solution. 360 videos can be complemented with additional interaction points using different types of content. This is an easier way to create engaging experiences where there is no need to do the 3D modeling of an entire VR environment. Better think through the details that would enhance a video experience instead.
Did you know that Gaudi was not the original architect of the Sagrada Familia? He only got... Barcelona is considered the best beach city in the world by national...
You can also create a completely artificial environment and put it either in augmented or virtual reality. You can make it interactive, you can make it just as a story, and those are very interesting tools to use.
Stories should be lived. AR allows you to use gamification to truly engage people. Letting a user make decisions along the way or become a part of the plot are some of the most powerful emotional triggers for a marketer to put to use.
This is a tool to bring more emotions, to let the people go through the story that you're willing to tell, and let them experience whichever emotions, whichever steps that you want them to take with you as a brand, with you as a person, with you as a company, a service, or a product.
This newly released augmented reality platform gives you a portal to the Hacienda Patron distillery, where you can learn about the unique characteristics and aging process of ultra-premium tequila while exploring the grounds of the Hacienda. Just find a clear, flat surface and plant your own Weber Blue Agave. The Patron Hacienda unfolds across your bar, where you'll encounter humidors tending the field, life-size bottles of Patron Expressions, and a bartender to offer you a tasting of each. Learn the tasting notes and barrel aging process for each featured product.
Next one would be immersion. You can put the person into the environment, the scenario, or the story, and this would be a total immersion for them. So they could actually give a feel, give a touch to the product that you're trying to provide, or to the story you're trying to let them experience.
We've done quite a few virtual reality experiences before, but we've never had a client brave enough to do a walk around one.
Make sure you stop at the end and take in that view.
What you'll be doing is taking a virtual hike in the Dolomites in Italy, and you'll be going across a particularly wobbly rope bridge.
4D elements like the bridge, wind, and the ground shaking made the experience feel even more lifelike. People were amazed.
Yeah, way cooler than I was expecting.
It was the most amazing thing ever.
Terrified.
I'm still walking like this.
Literally felt like I was like...
It's pretty intense. Actually moving through that space, there's no other feeling like it.
Speechless.
Yeah, okay.
Holy cow.
And most importantly, it made them want to get outside and do it for real.
Augmented and virtual reality are one of the greatest tools to achieve the wow factor as well.
For example, an interactive augmented reality campaign was created by Visa using a big screen in the shopping center. Visitors could see and hear an elephant passing by, pet a panda or a giraffe, high-five some monkeys, or become a member of a penguin family.
Projected AR is actually one of the non-obvious uses of augmented reality. Bentley has perfectly nailed it, using it for the presentation of their brand new model at one of the exhibitions.
What could you possibly come up with so it's even more of a wow than a bright new model of Bentley? Put on a show and bring it to the next level.
Above all, you need to understand the bigger picture here. You need to see all the moving elements and understand how do you connect these, what are the funnels, what are the scenarios that your users are going through with your brand. Email marketing, your website, the paid per click, social medias, AR or VR tool, offline engagement, online engagement, all of that has to be a full strategy. This is a highlight from me. You need to understand that the augmented and virtual reality is just one of the tools that you can implement inside of it. Then this tool is going to work. Because this is the most often question that I get. Yeah, but is it really working already? Is it really boosting sales? Is it really getting us there to those needed goals and metrics? It can. But you have to understand it's just one of the variables you've got running in all of your marketing halo.